Meet Michael, Chief Technology Officer. And that is Anita, Chief Compliance Officer. And here is Sam, Chief Risk Officer. They are all part of MAS Bank, a leading financial institution in the Middle East. It's the time of the year when they are sitting to prepare for an upcoming audit. And guess what's on their mind? Data, regulations, reports, compliance. After all, new regulations and policies are expected to be announced due to the prevailing and upcoming market dynamics. All the three have their own fair share of worries. Michael is worried about the increasing cost of compliance, frequent changes in regulations, facilitating audit reports and access control. While Anita looks concerned about monitoring regulatory submissions, tackling regulatory scrutiny, controlling data validations and proper approval processes. Sam has plenty of things playing on his mind, like accuracy of data, and timely preparation of reports and submission to regulators. All of them are thinking, what next? Breathe easy, relax. Presenting the all-new SmartReg, an intelligent regulatory automation platform. Anita, here's how you can take it easy with SmartReg. Get a 360-degree monitoring dashboard to keep track of your report submissions, data quality, reconciliation issues and pending approvals, along with reminders, notifications and alerts. All at one place, at one time. Worried about not getting all the data points from the source systems? Relax. With SmartReg you can upload reference data or master data. You can even make adjustments to the data through a controlled manner. Approvals are a breeze with maker and checker functionalities. Dashboard, sorted, master maintenance, sorted, maker and checker approval process, sorted. Anita, now you can make time to attend that all-important Banking Reforms 2.0 forum. Michael, feel at ease with SmartReg. Experience a cloud-ready platform with open-source technologies. This results in lower cost of ownership and gives flexibility to scale. Access a rich regulatory data model with a report builder. Now manage standardized data across all reports and modify them based on your current needs. Prepare, store and archive historical reports with the right user and access management. Now you don't have to dread preparing for future audits. Cloud ready, check. Data model, check. Building new reports and archiving generated reports, check. Access control, check. Looks like we can see a smile on Michael's face again. How about heading for that tech workshop this weekend? Sam can also take a breather as SmartReg offers him a seamless and stress-free solution. After all, he can generate and submit pre-built reports in various data formats like CSV, XLS, PDF, XML, JSON. Manage and schedule all reports on the platform. Be it monthly, quarterly, yearly or your customized reporting calendar, we've got you covered. Our one-of-a-kind data lineage feature allows you to understand the transformation of all your data and even traces it back to its source. The platform also offers you data profiling and data quality checks to enhance the accuracy of the data submission and counter key data challenges, helping your organization move towards conforming to BCBS 239 principles. Generate insights based on the data regulatory model, using an intuitive drag-and-drop user interface. Report generation, done. Reporting calendar, done. Data lineage, profiling, quality, done. Data discovery, done. Sam, how about scouting for your next financial risk manager? Just like Michael, Anita and Sam, we can help breathe easy with a one-of-a-kind intelligent regulatory automation platform for your enterprise. From data to decisions, from regulations to insights, from manual processes to automation. Simplify. Uncomplicate. Outperform. With SmartReg.